The first thing, okay, we're starting off with a banger. Unfaithful, okay? And this trait is shared by most Caribbean men, but of course Jamaican men are part of the Caribbean, so yeah. I find that most of the time that they are pretty unfaithful. They are, like, I'm not gonna say that they're unfaithful and not like still trying to actively be with a person, but they tend to, you know, have their hands in different jars.
Now, that's one thing about Jamaican man. We pride ourselves on being a gallus, right? Every Jamaican man aspires to being a gallus. And for those who don't know what a gallus is a Jamaican term for womanizer, right? Every Jamaican man aspires to be a womanizer. I don't know, it's just in our DNA, right? So, for the ladies them out there, if you do get with a Jamaican man, just know that you probably won't be the only one.